YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you the difference from bad videos and good videos. Let's go and show you examples of bad videos. Hello YouTube, this is my dog named Boomer. Boomer, say hi. He's busy. Well, that's good. Yes, here's a big one. Yes. Yeah, bad videos are. Let's show some good examples. Hello everyone, this is my router. I'm going to be showing how to use it. You use it. Yes, this is how you do it. This means something, this means something, this means something, this means something. This is yellow, this is black. Thanks for watching. Ugh. Trophy collection. Stuff. More stuff. My router. My socks. Football. And box. Dates. See? How do you separate? Please subscribe and choose your opinion in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.